This is quite tragic in here. See that sort of green colour thing, bright green one?
Yeah.
All this expensive stuff is all up on platforms, which is for the flood.
I feel lucky in a way because my home is still high and dry. My heart goes out to those who have lost their homes and lost everything that they've got. I mean, like, these are things and things, you know, that help make an income, obviously, but it's not life.
I've held it less, I was like, I'm not being very helpful, I'm sorry.
I'll row you back in a minute or so.
Higher.
Yeah, well, so they're dropping down, some of them there into the water.
Yeah.
And